Welcome to 3D Analyzer software, the end-to-end AutoCAD plugin that doesn't cost the earth. We understand that modern woodworking is demanding. You need seamless CAD to CAM, nesting, labeling, shop and manufacturing drawings, all in tight time frames because in our industry time is money. How our solution works. Draw in Analyzer CAD. Create all manufacturing data. Nest and create machine code in CAM. Analyzer manufacturing demonstration video. This video will show how using Analyzer manufacturing can provide all of the information and data needed to make your project ready for manufacturing. Now it's time to see what real software automated power is. A click of a button and our job is sent to Analyzer manufacturing where all our cutting list and machine operations are calculated. Enter our project information and then we move on to selecting our job-specific materials. Analyzer manufacturing has a customizable material library. Materials from library are easily selected. Now select Run Geometry Script and Analyzer Manufacturing goes to work. This process calculates the edging and machining operations and can be reviewed by drilling into each cabinet after the process is complete. Analyzer manufacturing's extensive cutting list not only breaks down each item but also gives a breakdown of edging for the project. One last button and Analyzer manufacturing has exported its data and finished doing its job. Analyzer manufacturing can be yours for as little as $4.10 per day. The 3D Analyzer software team are all dedicated to customer service and making sure our software works for you. Our team is always available to help you via our web chat and email. We have an extensive knowledge base on our website to answer your most frequently asked questions. Our support is pay-as-you-need so you are not locked into a support contract. Training videos are free in the knowledge base section of our website in video and PDF format so you can learn at your own pace. One-on-one personalized training is also available online and can be purchased as needed from our website. Thank you for taking the time to view our software solution.